Hello Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Oh my goodness, it is that time of the month again where I get to share a brand new online stamping class with you. Now, if you're brand new to me, I do a new online stamping class that you can get for free or you can purchase the tutorial, usually on the first of every month. It's free for 10 days, and during that time and thereafter you can purchase the tutorial as well. Now, I'm going to show you the cards. There are 12 cards in this tutorial and I know you're going to love them. This one is really close to my heart because we're using the Timeless Tulip bundle. I have been just so excited. I couldn't wait to share this as one of my tutorials because I love it and I know you're going to love it. Now, I'm going to flip the camera down. I'm going to show you these cards. And just so you know, I'm not stamping today. So if you came here to watch stamping, I'm not going to stamp, but you're going to see 12 cards. And then I will have a link down in the video description that will take you over to the blog post. And over there, I will have all the details as to how you can get this tutorial. And as always, if you have questions, make sure you leave me a comment or message me, email me, let me know, and I'd be happy to answer those questions for you. So let's go ahead, flip the camera down so I can show you these beauties. Hold on. Now, like I said, we are using the Timeless Tulip bundle. This is a staple, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's easy to work with. It has great greetings in it, and then this coordinating punch. So to get this class or the tutorial for free, all you have to do is place a $50 purchase between April 1st and 10th using my special online host code. Now that will be over in the blog post, so just look down in the video description, hop on over there, you'll find that code because you want to make sure you use that. $50 order, you get the class for free. If you already have this, you can order whatever you want as long as it's $50. Or if you're a demonstrator or maybe in another country you can't order from me, or you just don't want to place an order right now but would like the tutorial, over there you can just order the tutorial as well. So what I want to do in today's video is just show you the cards because I think they're stunning. I used a variety of colors. I believe they're all out of the Brights collection. I will list all of these supplies over on the blog post as well for you, but you can really switch them out. It's all about the layout on these cards, I guess. They're all different and you could really use any color. I also grabbed a couple other greeting sets. So I used several with the greetings that come in the tulips and then several other ones for my cards. Oh, I didn't even put them in the right way. So that's really up to you as to which greetings that you want to add to these. But I'll have all of that listed on the blog post as well. They're also, most of them, that one isn't, most of them are all stamped on the inside as well. So that will be part of the tutorial. The main thing the tutorial is going to have is the card recipes. So it will have all the cutting instructions for all of these cards, along with some tips as to how to put them all together. So look at that one with the flower pot. I was so excited how that one came out. And then this one, I believe this is, what do we got here? Flirty Flamingo. So I did use lots of different colors. So what do you think? Look at that one. Isn't that one kind of fun? And then we really used a lot of the designer series paper. So you're going to want to make sure to make these cards, you pick up a package of the designer series paper as well. Now, I know this video was super short, but really was intended just to share the 12 projects with you so that you know about this tutorial. And then I'll be back again in a couple of days stamping a card with this. I have another card, so it's really like a 13th card. No, there's more than that because I've already shared several cards with this set. I have a really fun technique with this that'll be coming up in my next video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video because that card is gorgeous as well. So there you go. 12 fun cards using Timeless Tulips. Hop on over to the website. You can grab this tutorial or grab it as an online class free with a purchase. So I hope to see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.